Welcome to our guide on how to enable voice chat in Roblox for 2025. Let's dive into this exciting feature. Before you start, there are a few requirements for using voice chat that you need to meet. Here's a step-by-step guide to enable voice chat in your settings. It's super easy. Next, let's talk about how to verify your age for voice chat permissions to ensure a safe experience. Don't forget to adjust your privacy settings. Let's keep your Roblox experience safe. Here are some best practices to follow while using voice chat in Roblox. Got issues? Let's troubleshoot some common voice chat problems you might encounter. Let's take a look at the cool features of Roblox voice chat that enhance your gameplay. What do users think about voice chat? Let's check out some community feedback. And there you have it. Enjoy your safe voice chat experience in Roblox, and happy gaming!